Welcome to the AutoTech and TalkRobot stage. If you want to hear from companies that are at the forefront of AI, at automotion, doing the most amazing boundary-pushing work, you're in the right place. Now, this morning is largely going to focus on auto, and then this afternoon, when we come back from lunch at about 2 o'clock, we're going to shift back over to robotics. Stick around for both. Enjoy. The panels are going to be fantastic. Now, the companies that are going to be speaking today are diverse. We're talking about Williams Formula One Racing. We're talking about Nutonomy, even NASA, which is pretty darn cool stuff. Welcome to Collision. All right. So as a way to discuss and show some of their innovations, the things you're going to be learning about is gesture control in your car. It's going to be shopping in grocery stores and around with robots that follow you so you don't need to carry your bags anymore. And even things that might be a little bit strange to you that you can't see, like how cars can actually image what's around them using technologies like LiDAR. It's going to be a pretty interesting day. But before we get started, I'd like to ask a favor. Everybody pull out your phone, all right, and load up the Collision app. On the bottom of your Collision app, there's going to be 3 dots. That's the More section. Click that, and within that section, all the way at the bottom, you'll find something called Polls and Slido. If you can open that and select the TalkRobot stage, there's going to be a question for you. And it's real time. So pull out your app, About section, AutoTech TalkRobot, and we'll see what these results are. We want to ask you, on a scale of 1 to 10, indicate if you're terrified about autonomous driving, or on the other side of the spectrum, number 10, you absolutely love it. And let's see what the results are as it's tabulated in real time. And if you're interested in Slido, they're out there today at one of the booths. You can find them. It's a pretty neat company. All right, so most of us are saying that autonomous driving is good. All right, pretty neat stuff. 17 to 18 people in. All right. With that said, we're excited, obviously, about the morning. Let's get going. What do you say? So first, I want to bring out Gideon Schmuel. He's talking about communicating with your cars via eyesight. It's a pretty neat setup. Our first speaker is the CEO of the company, and he's going to show us how they're actually using tech to do this. So with that, let's bring out Gideon Schmuel, the CEO of Eyesight Technology,